What's up, y'all? It's your girl Goldmouth. I am out here on the track, and it's been a while since I brought y'all out here with me, man. It's been a while. Today is a good sunny day. Like, I don't know what the weather is here. It'd be like one day it'd be hot, next day it'd be cold. I don't know. The weather need to make up its mind. Because last week, I promised you I had on a whole sweatsuit. Now I got on some shorts. I just threw on a jacket because I thought it was going to be, I thought it was going to be cold, but it's not. It's hot out here. You see the sun beaming? But I'm going to keep my jacket on because it's the wind blowing a little bit, but it ain't cold. Feel good. It feel real good today. That's why I decided to come out here on this track, and I'm gonna bring y'all along with me. Okay, come on, let's go. Today's Sunday. Hopefully I post this video today, but I'm gonna see if I can try to start posting more on YouTube so I can make my videos more than 10 minutes on so I can get back monetized. And I've been slacking on posting like actual videos because I know most people have a very short attention span. And if I don't give them 10 minutes of straight something to look at, baby, you ain't gonna look at me. So if you still here right now, stay looking at me, okay? Stay focused. Stay focused. Anyways, y'all, how y'all doing out there today? Today is the holidays is coming, y'all. And the hardest thing to do is try to want to work out and doing the holidays, baby, because all we think about is food. Because I know I'm thinking about food. What is y'all cooking? What's on y'all Thanksgiving list? Oh, that's a big old ant bed. What's on y'all Thanksgiving list? All the little ants. I want to kick it so bad. The crazy in me just want to say, and kick a hole in it. But then I be the one getting bit. We ain't doing that. So what is on y'all Thanksgiving list to cook? That's what I want to know. I want to know what y'all cooking, because I'm so hungry. I'm just big backing. How I'm gonna be big back out here while I'm walking? Child, yes, I want to cook. I want to keep it simple, and I want to cook like um. I want to say I want to cook a turkey, but at the same time I don't. But at the same time I kind of do because I haven't cooked a turkey in years. But I just want to bake one, a slow baked turkey in the bag, because I know a lot of people say don't do it in the bag, but I want to bake it in the bag, and because I want it moist and juicy. I don't want a fried turkey. I just want a regular old fashioned baked turkey, but juicy. Okay, I want a juicy turkey. The reason why I go with turkey this year because groceries so expensive now, baby. The only way I'm gonna get ham is somebody drop it off at my doorstep. Anybody want to drop me off a ham at my doorstep? Okay, I ain't think so. So we probably gonna do turkey if you know. Cause I was gonna do turkey legs or turkey wings, but that stuff be costing cause y'all know the other day I made a video, right? And them turkey wings, they was turkey wings. Somebody said that they was small. They was, but they was literally turkey wings, butterball turkey, and each pack cost like $11 and some change each from Walmart. It was the Butterball brand, and they were so good, but they was expensive. And I got I think it's 3 came in one pack and 4 came in the other. And each pack was about the same amount. One pack was like $10 and some, and one pack is like $11 and some. So a pack of turkey wings average like $12. And if one of my kids come here for Christmas with their baby, that's 2 people, and we feed, it's gonna get up. But my kids like macaroni and cheese and rice. Child. They just like the one that's coming from out of town. The girls, just say the girls. My girls like macaroni and cheese and rice. Okay, what's that? Yeah. So yeah, I plan on cooking. If they come, then we'll have something different on the menu. But if not, we're gonna have turkey. We definitely having collard greens, baby. I ain't doing nothing without collard greens, and in my collard greens, I'm gonna have either smoked. I think I'm gonna do smoked turkey legs to put in my collard greens because I hate when neck bones and stuff be in my greens. I hate that because you can't eat your greens in peace. You know what I'm saying? You can just without worrying about being choked to death off a bone. So I don't want to go through that. I don't want to have to worry about spitting out bones and stuff. So I don't really like neck bones in my greens. I like to do smoke turkey legs, and then I like to break the meat off the turkey legs, and then put it in my greens like that after they break down a little bit. I don't know. I'm stuck between candy yams and sweet potato pie. I'm not gonna do both because I don't want to be doing too much. But patty pie, they like patty pie. That'll save me from, cooking. Cause like making a pie because I do know how to make a sweet potato pie, but it just takes so much time. And baby, this year my motto is I ain't got that type of time. That's my motto this year. I do not have that type of time, baby. So we might get a few patty pies, maybe. I'll see if my husband want that. If not, then we gonna get whew, I'm hot. Now I won't do no patty pies, but I will do some candy yams. I'll do some yams. We'll see, cause it goes. I'll be going from one extreme to the next when I be in here thinking about food and stuff. I'm finna sit my big tail down. Y'all, I look fat, don't I ain't fat for real. I really ain't. I ain't fat for real in real life. I don't think. Shit, I'm 200 pounds though. I am 200 pounds, and I be looking fat because I got all these right here, all this extra meat. But we gonna work that out. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all this thing I got that help my chin. But we gonna get it together, okay? Um, yeah. So I want a turkey. Yeah, a turkey. This video is for y'all who try to talk to me. If y'all ain't trying to talk to me, y'all can log off if it take it too long, okay? So I want a turkey. I want to bake a turkey. I'm gonna definitely do some collard greens with smoked turkey legs and torn between sweet potato pie and candy yams. The sweet potato pie, if I do sweet potato pie, I don't know. I'll update y'all on that one. Definitely some dressing because that's all they've been hollering about. Mama, we want you to cook dressing. My husband want me to do some dressing. I always gotta call my mama for that recipe because I be getting confused. On Mama, what go in dressing? And it's the same thing every time. Like I think I just want to call her at this point in my life. Every year I call my mom on Thanksgiving to ask her how to cook dressing. I think she just used to me calling her now. If I don't call her to ask her how she make her dressing, because sometimes it's your mama that know. Sometimes it's certain food that your mama cook that's the only kind you want. That's the only person you want to cook it. So since my mama ain't around she around, but she's not close enough to, cook me no dressing and bring it to me. I got to use her recipe. So I don't like nobody else dressing but my mama's. That's it. So, ooh, and I want some pot roast. I'm just greedy right now. I'm thinking a pot roast and turkey. But I know I want a ham. I do want a ham, but I can't. I done went in a rabbit hole now because I want ham, pot roast, turkey, chicken wings, shit, the whole pig, the whole cow, everything, y'all. But yeah, I do want. I'm hungry. Y'all list y'all menus down below so I can get some food ideas because I need to know what y'all cooking. And don't nobody put no chitlins because we ain't cooking no chitlins, okay? We're not cooking chitlins. That's out of the question. Now off the menu, okay? I don't even bird know how to cook them and they smell like doo doo. Y'all know what I want? I want me some snow crab legs. I ain't had no crabs in a while. Like some snow crabs with some shrimp. I don't really care for all that sausage, but snow crab, shrimp with some corn, potatoes, and eggs. Yes, I love that. Speaking of Thanksgiving, y'all, I don't want to make no cake because I don't know how to make no cake. My mama is the best cake maker in that I know of. But I can't bake a cake to save my life, and I'm not even finna try. I like going to Walmart to get those little pound cakes. They like uh they like pound cakes. They got a little drizzle on. They got the lemon one. They got another one. I forgot what the other one called, but they good. I always get like three of them and put them on the table and make it look like I did something. Baby, they be gone. Even if I ain't did, then I did do something. I bought them. I put them on the table. That's as cake as we gonna get at the house, okay? Oh, maybe an apple pie. Maybe one of them Dutch apple pie. Baby, we don't cook. I don't cook enough from scratch. We're gonna get one of them Marie Calendar apple pies. Them things be good. Woo, Lord, I'm fat right now. Jesus be offense. Speaking of food, what y'all cooking tonight? Cause tonight, they want chili at my house. You know what I want? I want me some. I want to make some meatballs, like some oven baked meatballs, or some stovetop. Well, maybe stovetop meatballs, made with ground turkey, and I want to season them, roll them up into little balls, and I want to smother them with gravy, with some onions, with some mashed potatoes, and some kind of vegetable on the side. I really don't know some kind of vegetable, but that's what I want. I'm just being real right now. And I probably want a biscuit with it too. Ooh, that's why I'm fat right now. Just see see, me and you, whoever watching this video, one of y'all. That's our problem right now. God, I thought somebody was shooting at me. I dropped my water bottle. I got a problem. I like food. I like food and I like to be fine. You feel me? Like we like both. Why we can't have both? No, I ain't talking about. I know we can have food. I ain't talking about vegetables and stuff. I'm talking about junk. I'm talking about that good soul food that's making not. No, not necessarily soul food, but you know, cause I ain't no big soul food fan, but I'm a foodie, just not a soulful foodie. But yeah, y'all. Anyway, y'all, I just came to talk to y'all for that little bit, and hopefully, uh, we can spark up a conversation in the comments, y'all. So comment down below. Guaranteed to respond to everybody. Uh, comment. So I'm gonna be right here tonight. Okay, tonight is Sunday. Today is, I believe, it's November 9th, 2025. That I'm making this video. I appreciate y'all so much for standing by my side all of these years, y'all. So if y'all don't mind, y'all watch my videos and try to give me some views and so I can get back monetized, so I can get this thing swinging. And if y'all like this video, y'all like me to talk to y'all like this, then let me know. Let me know, okay? All right, y'all. Let me get out of here. All right, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. Y'all, after talking all that junk about food and what I want to eat and what I want to do, yeah, I'm about to go get me a big old salad because that's what I need. I need a salad right now because I need help.